So you are mostly welcome to another mathematics class of the Muslim Student Society of Nigeria, MSSN, Lagos State Area Unit. You are welcome to today's class, and the topic today is word problem. Mathematics, you have this is general class, so and the topic is word problem. Yes, I can see Fabian Henry. Fabian Henry, how have you been? It's been a long time. Fabian Henry, it's been a long time. What's happening? Fabian Henry, I want to get your reply. It's been long I noticed your presence in class. What has been happening? So inshallah, we will go to today's class, and I want to be sure that you are all ready to take up another experience, to witness this experience. So I will, as usual, I will display my screen. Okay, this is what I will do. Let me go back. Let me make one of you or two the hosts. Let me allow two students to talk so that you can always communicate with me. Let me see who I will call today. Let me call Ayo. Ayo, are you there? Ayo has not even connected the audio. Okay, let me call Fabian Henry. Fabian Henry, can you hear me?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
How have you been?
I'm fine. So sorry, my phone spoiled and I've been finding it difficult. It's just I now check the website and I could connect. That
Okay,
is why.
Alhamdulillah, you are here back. So let me call another person. So if there is any message, you let me know. Do you get it now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let me make you and let me call. Who should I call? Glory Gold, are you there? Glory Gold. You know what? Fabian, afternoon,
Yes, sir.
how have you been?
Fine.
So I will make you the host, a co-host. So if I make you a co-host, just ensure that you mute yourself. Your background noise is disturbing us. Or don't worry, let me call another person. This thing, your speaker is disturbing the class. Do you get it now?
Okay, sir.
No, you are not the one. I'm talking to Fabian.
Okay, sir.
Let me call another person. Ololade. So you just tell me if there is any challenge on in the chat. Did you get it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So again, the topic is I I said the topic is word problems in mathematics. So this is from the word problem. Word problems. It is the use of English words to illustrate mathematics. So mostly you use this it will be in form of statement. So it's expected that you should translate it to mathematical statement or expression before you able to do it. So you are most welcome again. Word problems by Olivejon Mr. Kayode, Mr. Wisdom. That is name some of my students call me. So you can call me that too. So look at this question. So I will start with sum and difference. From the name sum. Sum means addition of two things, right? So when we add two things, when we add two things, so we say we are what? We are adding. That is summation. Why difference is if I tell you that I am 5 years old and my elder sister is 10 years old, is 7 years old. What's the difference in our age? It is what? 7 minus 2. And that the difference is what? Is 2, right? 2 years. Therefore, that is the introduction to what we want to do. So the first question, look at it. What is the sum of 12 and 8? What is the sum of what? 12 and 8. Question number 1. Sum of 12, it means 12 plus 8. That is the meaning. And that will give us what, please? That will just give us 20. Hope you get that. Question number 2. What's the difference between 60 and 25? 60 and 25. It means 60 minus 25. The same thing when I ask you, if your dad give you 100 naira and your dad has given your younger sister 80 naira, if I tell you what is the difference in the money given to both of you, it will be what? 100 minus 80. Is that what it is now? So here our answer 25 minus 65 answer. Then number 3, the sum of the sum of 3 consecutive numbers is 36. Find the numbers.
Sir.
The sum
Sir.
of
Sir.
what?
Sir.
Okay, I can hear you now.
Someone said he hasn't that he did not see
The what?
the screen.
Is the person's network. Is the person's network. Okay. So is the person's network. So the sum of 3 consecutive numbers is 36. Find the numbers. Look at this. This is somehow different from what we'll be doing. The question says the sum of 3 consecutive numbers. If you are told that there are 3 consecutive numbers, knows that let the number be, use a letter to represent it. Which letter should we use? Let's use Y. Therefore, you are not told that the sum of 3 consecutive numbers, it means 3 consecutive numbers now means Y. Next one will be what? Y plus 1. Please take note. If you are told that 3 consecutive numbers, that is, the first number here is what? Is Y. The second number is what? Y plus 1. Happy now? So the next one will now be what? The next one will now be Y plus 2. I will now have 3 numbers now. Is this not 3 numbers?
Yes,
1, 2, 3. So if you are told that the sum of, if you are told that 4 consecutive numbers, the first one will be what? Y. Second one will be what? Y plus 1. Third one, Y plus 2. Next one will now be what? Y plus 3. I want to be, if you get that. So we are now told, since we now know that the numbers are Y, the numbers are Y plus 1, and Y plus 2. Therefore, we are now told that the sum of it equals to 36. That is, the sum of it, the first one is what? Y plus, second one is what? Y plus 1. Third one is what? Y plus 2. Hope you get this. Equals to, you are told, please, I want you to get it once and for all, that 3 consecutive numbers, this sum equals to 36. That is, this is the first number, second number, third number. The sum of them, of the 3, is equals to what? Is equals to 36. That is equals to 36. We are not told to find the numbers. Then from there, let's open the bracket. Now have Y plus 1 plus y plus 2 equals to 36. Therefore, we can have y plus y give us what? It means 1 apple plus 1 apple plus 1 apple. It will give us 3 apples. It will give us 3 apples. Therefore, we now have 3y plus, this is 1. 1 plus 2 will give us what, please? Give us 3. We now have 3 equals to what? Equals to our 36. Hope you are getting it from here. Please, you have to write fast. Write this, write this. So from here, I want to clean the board. From here, we now have 3y plus 3 equals to 36, right? From here, let's now find our y. 3y will now be equals to, we've done all this before. Our 3 will come to this place, now become 36. 1 plus 3 goes to that place, become minus 3. We now have 3y equals to what? Equals to 33. And from here, you say divide both sides by 3. Is that not it? 3 here 1, 3 here 1, 3 and 33, 11. Therefore, our y equals to 11. Our y equals to 11. Is that the final answer? Is that the final answer? No. So our y equals to 11. Remember that we said we are asked to find 3 consecutive numbers. It means, and I told you that the numbers are what? We've resolved that the numbers are y. Second one, the numbers are y. Second one, y plus 1, and third one, y plus 2. Therefore, that is, the answers will now be, the first one is what? Y, which is 11. Second number will now be what? Y plus 1. 11 plus 1 will now give us what? 12. And the third one, y plus 2. That is what? 11 plus 2. That is what? That is what, please. Where are those class rep now? You are not talking again. So y plus 2, well, y is 11. 11 plus 2 give us 11 plus 2. Who will answer that? Oh, no response. This is very sad. So 11 plus 2 give us, because of our time. I always like when my class is interactive. So 11 plus 2 give us 13. And that is our final answer. So the numbers, we now tell them, you write it that the numbers are 11, 12, and 13. And 13. Let me just clean this where you. So those are the numbers. So I hope you understand this now. Please just write that down before we go to the next question. Write that down. Write that down. Write that down. Write it down. It should be true now. Are you true? Are you true? Is someone true there? Is someone true? Morenike, so you will be among those that will be talking now. Shumoni Aisha, you can unmute yourself. Unmute yourself. So both of you will be the one to answer my questions now. One of you's background this thing is disturbing. Who is that? Okay. Okay, it's Aisha. Aisha, sorry. Okay. Morenike, are you there? Tariq, are you there? Tariq, unmute yourself. Yeah, so both of you will be asking. Answer the question. Oh. So you can't see the question. I will display the question again. I'll display the question again.
Hello, sir.
You see the screen now. You see the screen now. Is it my network that is tracking or yours? Okay. So I want to reopen the question now. Sorry, please. I think I can answer the question now. Okay, so just a revision to what we've done before. So we just did the last one. I said the question says you should find three consecutive numbers. The sum of three consecutive numbers are 36, find numbers. And I told you let the number represent the number by 11. So we now say three collective numbers will now be B, second will be B plus 1, third one will be what? B plus 2. You were told that the sum of three of them equals to 36, that is B plus 1 plus B plus 2 equals to 36. So now b plus b will give us 3b. 1 plus 2 give us equals to 36. And from here, when our 3 come here, come minus, now we have 3 equals to 36 minus 3. And from there, I hope I can clean the board now. Can I clean the board?
Sir?
Can I clean the board? Is that sorry? Morenica, can you talk? I need someone to be giving me a response. Leo. Unmute yourself, Leo. Oh, I need at least Ololade. Unmute yourself. Leo, unmute yourself. Abraham also unmute yourself. Ololade, can you hear me well?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Abraham also, can you hear me well? Is that Ololade? Ololade, please move away from there now. Abraham, also, can you hear me very well? Can you hear me very well?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So let's continue the class.
Sir, someone is raising his hand.
Please, what is happening?
Hello. No, I'm sorry. I think your teacher had an issue with the network. I want to believe you can hear me now. Can you all hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. So your teacher had a particular issue with the network, and it's not. So let me see. I think from what Lizzie, any problem? Okay, I may need to. So we're looking at what do we call it? What problem? Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So where? Let me see. Let me share my screen. Let me see if I can share one or two things with you on it before the end of the class. I think we have just a few minutes more. Okay. So far you have okay, let me share. Okay. So on our problem so far, we have looked at I think you must have looked at the basic principle. Or at this time, let me see. Is there any problem so far from what he has taught you? Any problem from what he has taught you? I think I should start from that angle.
No, sir.
Is there any problem from what he has
No problem, sir.
So if I give you some questions on what problem, you'll be able to solve those. Let me give you some questions on what problem. Now, okay. Let me do it like this. In what problem, there are certain things that you need to know. Who hear anything is, was, and so on. In what problem we make it to be equals to. So that's one of those things that you need to know. Then another thing is that in what problem too, you see the word greater than, or more than, more than, anytime you see such, we use addition to depict those. Then part of what we also meet in that aspect is also what less than, and in such a case, you have less than, it's definitely telling us minus. So an example, X years old, X years. So how old was I 5 years ago? So I'm X years old now. How old was I 5 years ago? So 5 years ago. I think I did not mention that yet. So another thing that we also need to look at, apart from this, you know, I've mentioned years ago now. Years ago. We may also have in some years' time. In some years' time. So we may have years' time. Years' time. So how do we depict that? Anytime we see years ago, it means we have that. The past tense, so you use minus for it. Anytime we see years' time, addition. So those are some of the things that we also need to take note. So like the question I asked, I've not seen, is there anybody that wants to answer that, or you have typed it into this thing? No RSI. I don't know. Okay, no sir. Okay, maybe no sir. Okay. So any question on that? Sorry, what's the solution to my question? I said, if I'm X years old now, how old was I 5 years ago? Can you unmute yourself and talk?
X minus 5.
Yeah? That's what?
X minus 5.
Okay, very good. X minus 5. So 5 years ago, you just need, anytime you are dealing with number word problems, you can always make use of your number to represent it. Okay, I am X years old now. Let X represent that I am 15 years old now. So if I'm 15 years old now, how old was I 5 years ago? You have to calculate it. So definitely you know that the answer is what? 15 minus 5, that's 10. If I go down, how old was I 5 years ago? So and so on like that. That's how you calculate that. So I'm X years old now. How old was I? How old will I be in 5 years time? In 5 years time. So in 5 years time, it means what happened? I'm going to have what? Plus. 5 years ago, it will be minus. That will be X minus 5. 5 years time, it will be what? X plus 5. So you have to take note of that particular one. So we may say that so that is one thing that you need to take note under under word problem. So once you take note of some of these things, that's just what you need. Just take note of some of these. So let me just look at some questions for you. Okay, I'm coming. So I have some questions here. I have a number, or I think of a number. You're popular. I think of a number. Then I had I had 10 to it. Add 10 to the number. And I divide it by 3. The result is what? Is 5. Find the number. Find the number that I thought of. So find the number that I thought of. So if I think of a number and I had 10 to it, I had 10 to it, 10 to the number, and then I divide the number by 3. So the result is 5. So find the number. Do we have anybody for the answer to the question?
The number is 5, sir.
The number is 5. Okay. I think our teacher, is that not our teacher? Is he back? Okay, it's not back. Okay. So the number is, yeah. So as simple as that. As simple as that. Yes. Is Fabian having anything to tell us? I hope everybody understand how we got that. Please. Okay. Those people raising their hand, can you say 1 or 2 things?
Sorry, sir, I wanted to answer the question.
You wanted to?
Sorry, I wanted to answer the question.
Okay, oh yeah. Okay, you wanted to answer the question. Okay, you wanted to answer the question. All right, no problem. Thank you. So the question has been answered. Let me see 1 or 2 questions I can share with you here. I think I have. Let me see. So let me see. I think I have some questions here. Okay. Yeah, I think I should have some questions here. So this question too, if you look at I think can you try question 57 here? I hope you can see the difference between square of 9 and its square root divided by 2 is dash. So that's an example of a word problem. Can you try that? So what's the answer to that? What do you call it? I can't hear you. The network is bad. Okay. So from what, let's look at it together. The difference between the square of 9 Yes, that's another thing that we also need to look at. I hope you can all hear me clearly, Sha. Somebody is trying to talk, but the voice is breaking. The person talking, your voice is breaking. Okay, so in this case now, what you just need to do, what you need to do is the difference. When you say difference, so you know it means subtraction. Difference between square of 9. Square of 9 is 9 square. And in square root, the square root of 9. The square of 9 is 81. And then the square root of 9 is what is 3. So 81 minus 3 will actually give us what? 78. So that's on that particular one. Then let's see whether we have so many questions from here. Let's just pick one or two and then before we call it a day. Okay, this one is still, let's leave this for now. Let's go from simple to complex. Okay, this is another one. Number 36. The sum of 4 consecutive odd numbers is 80. Find the fourth number. The sum of 4 consecutive odd numbers is what? 80. What are odd numbers? When we say odd numbers are numbers that are not divisible by 2. Abi, and an example. Can we give example? Examples are 1, 3, 5. So what do you observe between them? Between 1 and 3, what's the difference? Between 1 and 3, what's the difference between 1 and 3?
2.
So you realize that between those numbers, we are going to be having what? 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. So in this case now, I'm not sure of what that number is. If I may say that what? So I may say that what? 5 is that number. I may say 7 is that number. I may say 9. I may say 11. I'm not sure whether these ones will give me my required answer. So it may not give me. So as a result, I need to use an alphabet to represent them. If I'm using X to represent what? 5, for example, what will I use to represent 7? It means something that's 5 plus 2. 5 plus 2 will give me 7. So if I have my X now to be representing 5, what will represent 7? It means X plus 2 will represent 7. I hope you get that right now. The number could be 5, 7, 9, 11, but I'm very sure if I had 5, 7, 9, 11, it should give me 8. So what I just need to do is that what? Let me use alphabet to represent those numbers. If, for example, if I'm using X to represent 5, it means to represent 7, I'm going to use that 5, whatever I'm using to represent that 5, plus 2. If I need to represent 9, whatever I'm using to represent 7, add 2 to it. It will be X plus 2 plus 2, that's X plus 4. If I need to do that for this one too, it will be what? X plus 6. So as a result, I'm going to have what? X plus 2, X plus 4, and X plus 6 as those 4 consecutive odd numbers. So they want us to add them together. When you add them together, I said the sum will give us what? 80. Can we add them together now? X plus 2 plus X plus 4 plus X plus 6. Everything will give me what? 80. If I need to add collect like terms, X plus X plus X plus X will give me what? 4x plus 2 plus 4 will give me what? 6. 6 plus 6, 12. And that will give us what? 80. So from there, what do? I will take 12 to the other side. So I'm going to have what? 4x equals what? 80 minus 12. And 80 minus 12 will give me what? To give me 60. Result, I have to divide both sides. 1, 7. So it means the first number is what? Is 17. X is 17. So if X is 17, you have to be very careful with this question. It says find the fourth number. Fourth number. This is the first one, this is the second one, this is the third one, and this is the fourth. So if my X is now 17, it means my X plus 2 will be what? 19. It means my X plus 4 will be what? Plus another 2, that's 21. And my what? X plus 6 will now be what? 23. So 23 is the answer. So you have to be very careful in such a question. I hope there is no problem. I hope it is well understood. Okay. So if that is the case, let's move. Let's move. Can screenshot. That person trying to.
Yes.
I think the rain that is falling is the network serious. So let me one or more questions that we can go and rest. Find it. Okay. Yeah. So I think we can, this particular question too can be said to be question 20. The perimeter of the square is less than or equal to 50. Find the values of the square, of the length of the square. Yeah, this can equal to 50 centimeters. So what do you think? What's the formula for the perimeter of the square? The perimeter of a square is what? 4 times L. Abby? All the sides are, each of the side is L. So L plus L plus L plus L will give us 4L. So by standard formula, the perimeter is what? 4L of a square. But they said that so that perimeter is now less than or equal to 50. How do you represent less than? Our left hand. I mean, bend your left hand because they will compensate for you and you will not even be able to use your hand again. So here now we can say that 4L is equals to what? It's less than or equal to 50. You find the range of values for which of the length of the square. So what do you just need to do? Just divide through by what? L to by 4 to get your L. So we have what? L will be less than or equals to 50 over 4. And that will give us what? L will be less than or equals to 12.5. Less than or equal to, this is not the answer. because it does not have equal to. And if you look at the question, it said less than or equal. So it means that E is not the what? Is not the correct answer. So it's not the correct option. So it means D is correct. So that is the solution to that particular question. So the perimeter, it has been asked in form of perimeter. So that's how we can solve that question. So before I end the class, is there any other question that you may feel you have, so that we can then do it together? Any question at all? So possibly your teacher will send some questions to you. Yeah. Possibly he will send some of the questions that he has prepared. He may need to send it to you so that you have so many questions to practice. Also have some questions here. Say, what's the difference between the LCM and the ACM? 2436. And for LCM, find the ACM. What they require you to do is what? The difference. When say difference, it means subtraction. And then, okay, yeah, we may need one of these before we go. There's a question here, number 48. Says if father is twice as old, a father is twice as old as this son. What is the sum if this is X years of their age? So yes. Are you there? Let's end the class now.
Okay, sir.
So if there's no question, I think we can end the class now.
Yes, sir. Sir, but I want to say something. I want to join a but it's telling me